Hello everyone. So we will continue with our question solution series. So let's start. So question number 36. How can we use the exist clause to verify the presence of specific record in the table in SQL? So select exist bracket select one from employees where employee underscore ID equals to 9. We'll run this and check whether this employee exists in the table or not. So we'll run this and you can see in the result session, yes, one means employee is there. If it returns 0, that means employee is not present in this table. So we will try for employee with employee ID 11. It should return 0 as we don't have any employee in our employee table with employee ID 11. Okay, so I will run this now and you can see in the result the exist clause return 0. That means employee is not present. So in this way, using exist clause in SQL, we can check the presence of specific record in a table. Okay, we'll go to the next question. How can we increase the salary of employees in the employee table by 10% for those employees who comes under tech department or those who are working in the technology department? Okay, so to update the records in the tables, we use update employees, which is our table, set salary, as we need to update the salary to the salary into 1.10. That means we are increasing the salary. What was our question? Like we need to increase the salary by 10%. Okay, so salary equals to salary into 1.1, where department equals to tech. So we are only increasing the salary of employees those are working in tech department. So we'll run this now and you can see the query has been executed successfully. That means we have updated the salary of employees in the tech department by 10%, or rather increased by 10%. We'll go to the next question. So how can we delete the employees from the employee table with IDs between, like those who are with employee ID 10 to 20? That means we need to delete from 10 if there is a employee exist in the employees table having employee ID 10 or 11, 12, 13 till 20, 10 and 20 including. So we need to delete those employees. For that we need to, so we will use delete clause. So delete from employees table where employee underscore ID, which is our column name on which we are putting condition, where employee ID between 10 and 20. So if we execute this query, it will delete the employees from the employee table having employee ID between 10 and 20. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. How can we add multiple employees to the employees table at a time? In a single query, we need to add multiple employees in employees table. So insert into employees table. Okay, for that we need to know like how many columns are there to insert the data. For that, first we will execute the select query, select star from employees, and we will limit it to the 1. So we run this. So there are 6 columns: employee ID, first name, department, manager ID, joining date, and last is salary. Okay, so now we will add few employees, new employees into this table. So for that, okay, we will remove this limit clause and we'll run this query again so that we will get to know like what are the employees present in this table with employee ID and what are their names and all things. Okay, field. So we will run this. So you can see, so we have 10 employees. Okay, so we will add more. So insert into employees with first underscore name, comma, department, comma, manager underscore ID, comma, joining date, and the last one is salary. Values. So we don't need to add employee underscore ID as we made it primary key, so it will be the it will generate or not. Okay, we'll check like whether it is auto increment or we need to add. If it fails, that if the update fails, that means then we will add employee ID. Okay, we'll check first. Okay, so first we won't add employee ID. So first name will be, let's consider, so Prem. Okay, then department. Okay, he is working. Take department, comma, manager ID. Okay, he is assigned to Ajay. So his employee ID is 3. And then joining date, let's consider. And then salaries, let's consider 1 lakh. Okay, we'll take this to the bottom for our convenience. Okay, so we'll add one more. Let's consider Ram. He is working in HR department. So he will be reporting to 5, that is Rohan. Joining date is and he is earning 80,000. Okay, so we'll add this into our table. So it failed means we need to give the employee ID because we have not made it auto increment. So let's consider employee ID 11. This is 12. So now we will run this and see. Yes, now we have inserted multiple records at a time in employees table. Let's see whether we have. Yes, so you can see we have two more records added into the employees table with employee ID 11 and 12, that is Prem and Ram has been successfully added to the employees table. Okay, we'll go to the next question. So create a view to show high earning employees. Okay, so we will create a view. For that we will use create view, give the name as per your requirements to the view. So I am giving just a random name, but you don't go for that. As per your requirement, you can give any name to the view. So create view sample underscore view name as select star from employees where salary is greater than equals to, let's consider 80,000. So we will run this. We have executed successfully. Now we will retrieve the data from this created view. We'll run this and you can see these are the employees who earn more than or equal to 80,000. The scope for the view is session based. For the current session, it will show the result. So thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture. If you like this lecture, do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.